Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you change your age if you are under age 13. So basically according to the Roblox policy you can't change your age from if you want to change your age in Roblox you have to go to an account info where you have to uh, change your birthday, but this is not allowed if you are 13. Then how can you change your age? So I'll guide you in this video, guys. So before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. So basically, you just need to open a new page and search for Roblox uh, support support contact. You can type like this, not the contact number. I'm not, and just click on contact us or support. You can click on support here, and here the form will open here, and now you just need to enter your first name, email address, and then you have to confirm your email address. And after that you have to choose what device are you having the problem on. So you can choose your device like PC, and then you have to type choose the type of help you need. So you just need to choose chat with you have to choose this setting of age-based setting and account with the parental privilege. You just need to choose this, and now you just need to choose again here change child age, or adjust, yeah, change child age. And now you just need to enter your issue or describe your issue. You have to describe your issue. So I'll just made a template, like I'm gonna give you a message that may help you to change your age. First of all, you have to write hello, I was wondering if you guys could help me change my birth age. I accidentally, you just need to describe your problem. It as you have to mention date here that you have entered mistakenly. First of all, you have to write month, then date, and then year, and this is the format. Now you just need to write my actual. Now you have to mention your actual date, birth date. Birth date is mentioned fine, and it wouldn't let me change the birth date in the setting. I can provide proof that I am in fact over the age of over the age of 13 as if needed as well if needed. Thank you. Fine. So this is the message you have to type, and then you have to click on submit. So you have to wait for their response, and just let you know if you can change. But mostly if your problem is genuine or issue is genuine, they will definitely change your they will let you know how can you change your age. This is the only method you can do if you want to change your age under 13. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.